Dear students, good morning. God bless you. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Class 2, open your books. Let's start our first chapter, that is myself. Myself mean about myself, our whole self. Okay students, tell me, how are you doing? Do you know each other? Do you know me? First, I'll introduce myself to you all. Okay? Let me introduce with myself, with my likes or dislikes. I'm your teacher. My name is Sukaina. I am 23 years old. I have done BSc. I'm here to teach you. Let me repeat my introduction. Listen to me very carefully that how I am introducing myself to you. I'm your teacher. My name is Sukaina. I am 23 years old. I have done BSc. I'm here to teach you. Now it's your turn to introduce yourself with me, in which you tell me your name, your father's name, your mother's name, your age, your class, your favorite subject, and your favorite game. Let's perform an activity 1. My name is, you write here your name first. My father's name is, you write your father's name here. My mother's name is, you write here your mother name. I am dash years old, you write your age here. I am in class 2. My favorite subject is, you write here any favorite subject, like my favorite subject is English. You write your favorite subject here. I enjoy playing. You write your favorite game here. This is your home activity. Write 5 lines about myself. Thank you student. God bless you. See you soon. Bye.